Hello everyone, this is Jamie from the Red Bank Public Library. Welcome to Power Play. Today we'll be making igloos made out of marshmallows. To begin, you'll need a plate, a butter knife, scissors, a water bottle, or you can use a cup. Then you'll need frosting and a bag of mini marshmallows. You'll need to start out with a small cup, and if you don't have a cup this small, you can actually make one using a water bottle. Wash the outside of the bottle with soap and water, and then have an adult help you cut the bottom of the bottle. The bottle or cup will be acting as our base. This piece will act as our guide to make the igloo nice and round. I will also be cutting out a little door. I will be doing this by making a little U shape within the cup. Now I'm going to be using my butter knife to spread frosting all over the outside of the cup. The frosting will help the marshmallows stick to the cup. You can also use peanut butter if you don't have a frosting around the house. Also make sure to cover the top with some frosting too. Now we're ready for our mini marshmallows. Start with one row of marshmallows going along the bottom. As you go along building with your marshmallows, you can spin the plate so that you don't need to get up. It makes things a lot easier. While we build, I'm going to tell you a few fun facts about igloos. You might associate Eskimos with igloos, but the people of that culture really like to be called Inuits, which translates to the people in their language. The Inuits do not actually live in igloos. Igloos are actually temporary homes made by hunters who need to survive the icy elements while they hunt. Most Inuits today live in houses just like ours. Igloo is actually the Inuit word for snow house. In places like eastern Siberia, Greenland, Alaska, and parts of Canada, it's too cold to grow food, so people rely heavily on animals for nutrition. To build an igloo, the builder will take fine-grained snow and cut into blocks with their snow knife. Each block measures 2 feet by 4 feet. Blocks are added in a spiral shape until they reach the very top, where a small opening will be left for ventilation. An experienced Inuit can build an igloo between 1 and 2 hours. If you want to learn more about igloos and Inuits, I will link some resources in the caption of this video. You might have noticed that I started dipping the bottom of my mini marshmallows in frosting, so it'll stick to the marshmallows underneath. I think I must have used over 100 marshmallows by now. Next time I do this, I'm definitely going to count how many marshmallows I use, because I'm really curious. If you'd like to send us your igloo creations, send us a picture of your igloo with your name and age to redbanklibrary@gmail.com. We would love to show it to everyone. Here's my igloo. It took about 20 minutes to do. It's a really nice and fun craft. I'm going to be adding piles of Swedish fish to the outside of my igloo to represent the Inuit hunters. This will be some of the fish that they caught. You could also decorate your igloo with any other candies or food. Maybe you could even build a snowman out of marshmallows. Thank you so much for coming today. And today's code word for this event is frost. so make sure you enter that so you can earn that badge.